y'all, what's up? Welcome to, I sounded so country. Hey y'all.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I am Tatiana, for those of you who don't know. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And my videos and my channel is mainly about my locks and my lock journey. I have Microlocs DIY. I did them in October of 2020. Excuse me. And today marks the 9-month lock anniversary of my locks. Guys, I'm almost to that year mark and I am so excited. I cannot wait just to see how long my hair has gotten. If you don't know, or if you didn't see any of my previous videos, I do have a problem area, like a little patch where my locks don't lock, or they will lock for a little bit for the month, but then when I wash my hair, it just unravels. It's just a small patch in the back. I'll show you. And it's getting smaller. I'm giving props to my hair. It's getting smaller. My patch is getting smaller. Some of it is locking. Some of my locks are staying. But I'm still having that issue. Every wash day I would have to braid and band the back of my hair just so that they don't unravel. But today we're going to be talking about washing this nasty head of mine. I haven't washed my hair in like over a month, and so I pushed this video back as far as I could because I wanted to show you guys this new method I just learned. It may be new to some or maybe familiar to others. It's the Wig Cap wash method, and I just thought to myself, like, this will be a great way for me to wash my hair, because I feel as though this stocking cap method or this wig cap method would benefit my baby locks in the back, or maybe prevent them from unraveling. And so that's why I'm here. We will see. I wanted to record this moment with you guys. I wanted you to see what happens when I do use this method, if it works, and if you're having issues with your locks and they're not staying locked, if this will work for you. So yeah, stay tuned, and thank you for bearing with me for these couple of months. I have more content for you guys. I just been so busy with internship. I am in the process of becoming a massage therapist, and so I have to complete these internship hours. It's like 120 hours. I'm almost finished, almost to the finish line. So thank you for bearing with me. And girls, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't start dancing on here. Don't. Enough yapping, enough talking. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, for this video you just need two things: a wig cap or stocking cap, some shampoo. I use Carol's Daughter with this easy access to the scalp nozzle. Yeah, and that's it. Alright, on to the fun part. So guys, I put my cap on, rinse my hair inside the cap with the cap on, and then I put the shampoo on top of the cap. I thought I was recording, but I didn't record. But I did wash my hair 3 times, just because I haven't washed it in so long. And yeah, here I'm just rinsing it, making sure I get all the shampoo out. I did have an issue with the stocking cap because it was so new. It kept kind of like sliding up. So if you do try this, I would just recommend using like a used already kind of stocking cap, because it does tend to slide up because it's so tight. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also add me on my IG, Facebook, any social media. It's all in the description box below. Alright y'all, I am back. Like, my eyebrows off, but I'm back. I use a regular towel because I have this cap on. Let me get a little closer. I'm the truth. Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's like stuck together. They're coming. Ow! That one hurt. Oh, what is going on? My hair has never done this before. I think it's because it was so enclosed in that stocking cap that they all started to kind of like connect. I'm just shaking them out just so I can get a better look. Okay, I'll show you this one. Like all this is stuck together. It's like a knot. I just don't like the fact that I have to like pull my hair apart. But it did get my hair clean though. That's one thing I'll give it. So it works as far as cleaning the scalp. Let me check on my baby locks in the back. My baby locks still unraveled. This method's gonna be a no for me. Like it's balling up the ends of my hair. Even though I don't mind my ends starting to lock up on me, I don't want there to be like this ball at the end. What I'm gonna do is rinse my hair and just see if it's made any difference with the ends of my hair and with it all. All right, y'all, I'll be back. All right, guys, I am back. Yes. So, yep, you see my little ringlets? They are back. Yeah, I got a little bit of length out of it. I got some of the knots out of the ends of my hair. So the question is, would I use the stocking cap method again? And my answer is no. I didn't like how it kind of bunched my hair up. My hair is already prone to shrinkage, and so by putting it in a stocking cap, adding water, I don't know why I didn't think about it, but yeah, it shrunk my locks up quite a bit. And then at the ends of my locks were these little knots, bunching my curls up at the ends, not necessarily locking them, but like kind of coiling itself on each other, which I didn't like at all. It did not help with the unraveling of my locks in the back. I'll just have to continue to relock it before I wash it. That way my locks will have a fighting chance. And so yeah, lesson learned, no harm, no foul. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. And if you tried the stocking cap method, please let me know in the comments below. Let me know how it worked out for you. If you experienced the same kind of things I did, or if you had the complete opposite experience and you enjoy and will incorporate this stocking cap wash method in your wash routine. Let me know. I want to hear you guys' stories and how it went for you guys. So yeah, that's all I have for today. I'm gonna go ahead and retwist this hair, not retwist, retie my hair. Thank you for tuning in and watching, and continue to watch my videos. You guys have a good rest of your day. I'll see you next time.